So this washer is not spinning at all. See those couplers there? That's not spinning at all. It's back. This is just completely cracked in half. Look at that. Got some brand new motor couplers. Gonna throw this in. I just find it easier to do it this way. You can do it however you want, but we got the shaft up and down, the hole up and down, and then the shaft up and down. Let's see what we got. Spinning like a champ now, baby. This is the cleaner I use for any smell-related work orders. Just mix a couple ounces into a spray bottle, a high-pressure spray bottle, and that's how I clean the HVAC coils. I've got the coils cleaned and the filter replaced. Now, it's gonna clean out this drain pan now. Pretty nasty. All right, it's nice and clean. This drain pan is much happier now. I know that seems like it may have taken a while, you know, 15, 20 minutes, but you know what else takes a long time? Callbacks. And I don't like callbacks. And I'm most likely not gonna get one on this call. All right, I'm gonna pop, got some new filters in there. Let's head to the next one. This was a recent flooring install by our amazing flooring crew. I'm gonna get rid of all this. I just snapped a picture. I'm gonna send this to the vendor. This is probably my 10th one I've had to come back and redo. I mean, I just don't understand. I know mistakes get made, but if flooring is your trade and profession, you know, why can't you glue on a threshold? And the reason is because they're using the wrong stuff. Now, you know what time it is. If you've watched the channel, you know how big I am on this NFC Quick Instaglue by Satellite City. I'm not sponsored by these guys. They just make such an awesome product, and I could not do my job without this. This is just, I love this stuff. They don't even gotta be that big. But once this stuff adheres to the floor, it does not come up unless you pry at it. It's not gonna come up if you kick and bump into it. Now, if you wanted to, I don't think I need to, but you can use some liquid nails in junction with this. The only bad thing about this stuff is if you don't wipe the cap when you're done, or if you don't wipe the tip, you gotta wipe that tip, or else this cap won't come off. Got another kitchen sink clog. It's most likely, hopefully we won't need the auger, we'll see. Disposal's off. Red button is out. Hopefully it's just the disposal backed up. Now it's draining. Let's see what we can pull out of here. What is this? Penny? Yeah. Making money. Making money today. What else we got in here? Maybe a bone? What the hell is that? It's the fish rock. There's fish rocks in here. I got an aquarium. Alright, let's see if she can chew up the rest. Come on, baby. She did it. Look at that little 1/3 horsepower go to work. Sink, eh? Well, two-thirds plug. See. You know the drill. Plug the hole and plunge. Look at that. Sometimes this job is just so draining. string is not long enough. I can pretty easily fix that. I need blind string, and we don't have any blind string. It's something I'm gonna have to order. I might go look for some later, but there's 50 other work orders I gotta get on right now that I can take care of instead of looking for parts right now. Let's head to the next one. So no water trickling. Oh, I see what's going on. Look down there. Water's moving. If I go like this, even more comes in. I'm gonna shut off the water to the toilet tank. Drain the tank. Remove this flapper for now. Whoa, look at that. The whole thing came off. We're gonna fix this. I'm gonna get this nice and dry. Keep in mind, I've been on this call for less than a minute now. And you know it, it's hot stuff time again. Let's go. I'm gonna put a big bead all the way around this. Gotta make sure it gets all the way around. Kind of put it a little bit above and let the rest drip down. Slide that over. Put the flapper back on. Keep in mind we're a little over 2 minutes. Turn the water back on. Look at that. No more leaking. It's a nice little hack that works if you do it right. That took about 3 minutes total. Flush valve would have taken 15 to 25 depending on how fast you are.